Hi, everyone. This month, April, is National Poetry Month. That means that all over the country and probably all over the world, people are reading and writing and sharing poems. You might be asking yourself or wondering, what exactly is a poem?
Poems sound beautiful when you read them out loud. In poems, a few words can say a lot. Poems can be inspired by big feelings like joy or sorrow or fear.
One way that you can get ready to write poetry is by making something called a heart map. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. You'll need a piece of paper, can be like this or something bigger like this. And you'll need something to write with, like a pen or some crayons or some markers. You can pause this video and go get that and come back. Are you back? Ready to go? Okay, this is how you make a heart map.
Start by drawing a heart as big as you can on your paper. Leave lots of space inside to draw and write things. Now think about the things that you really love the most in this world. I drew some pictures of things that are in the sky because I really love looking at the sky. I drew some members of my family and some things from nature that I really love. You can start thinking about the things that you love, the things that you love the most in the world, and start drawing those inside your heart map because those might be things that you want to write poems about later. This is what my heart map looked like when I was done with it. Now, I might want to go back and add to it, but for now, you can see that I added lots of things that I love and might want to write about. When you're done with your heart map, you can take a picture of it and share it with me.